Hello guys, I'm going to make a stuffed onion. This is the ground beef. Saute onion, ground beef, tomato paste, salt and pepper, and some rice, guys. And this is the onion. I boiled with the water. Yan. Oh, diba? Ayan. Busy si Lola mag-prepare ng stuffed onion. Ayan. Hello guys. Ito, busy si Lola. Ito, busy si Lola. Gagawa ng stuffed onion. Ito siya. Yung buong onion na malalaki. Inalis ko yung ano niya dito. Pagkatapos sa dulo. Katapos hinati